Hello everyone and welcome back to my online teaching platform. We have a problem here which says that we should evaluate the limit of the function 4x minus 1 all divided by the square root of x squared plus 2 as the input approaches infinity. So the moment you have the infinity, the first thing you need to do is to identify the x with the highest power. So we have to identify the x with the highest power. So let us rewrite the given expression. So we are going to get, you can write it as the limit of 4x minus 1 all divided by x squared plus 2 in bracket having a power of half. So looking at this expression, we know that square root of any number is the same as the number having a power of half, or with the number raised to the power 1/2. So we apply the same concept to y. So what do you think would be the x with the highest exponent? The x with the highest exponent here will be just x. It's going to be x because the denominator is in a bracket or affected by the exponent half. So we have to identify the x with the highest power in the numerator. Because when you take the denominator, I think because we have the square root, you can't pick the x squared as the x with the highest power. So we are going to use the x with the highest power is just x. So we are going to use the x over here. So we are going to use x to divide through. But when you look at the denominator, there is x squared over there. And there's no way you can plug or you can divide x squared inside the square root by x. So you have to also express the x as a number inside the radical sign. So we can say that x is the same as the square root of x squared. X is the same as square root of x squared, because when you take the square root of x squared, we are going to get x as the answer. So that's what we are going to use in place of the x that we'll be using to divide the x squared inside the square root. All right, that is continue. So we are going to get the limit of 4x divided by x minus 1 also divided by x all over, so I'll bring back my square root, all over x squared divided by x squared, because x squared inside the square root is the same as x. Then here will be plus 2 also divided by x squared as the input approaches infinity. So we continue to evaluate. So we are going to get the limit of 4 minus 1 divided by x all divided by the square root of 1 plus 2 divided by x squared as the input x approaches infinity. We continue to evaluate. So now we are going to get the limit of, I think now we can substitute the input, which is the infinity. So we are going to get 4 minus 1 over infinity all divided by the square root of 1 plus 2 over infinity squared. So we learned that any constant divided by infinity will give us will give us 0. So here becomes 4 minus 0, then divided by the square root of 1 plus, here will be square root of 1 plus 0. All right, so we continue to evaluate. We are going to get 4 minus 0 will give us 4. Then we divide it by the square root of 1. Square root of 1 is 1. That will be 4 divided by 1. And the result becomes 4. So this becomes the result for the limit as of the function as its input approaches positive infinity. Thank you for watching.